Hey, Elio. This is the first time you've been in your swing, and you look very comfortable. It's Christmas Eve day for the Elio.
I don't know what that button does.
Hey there, buddy. How is that? You look good. I think it's like random, maybe.
That just started on its own, babe.
No, I turned it. You know, maybe what happens is it lets it go for a while and then it slows down and it picks back up. Might as well wake them.
Like that, don't you, buddy?
He's not complaining, is he?
Elio Jazz Clip-On, Christmas Eve
Babe,
day.